Hello, lovely people. You once again welcome to my channel. The name is LOVG Love. It's another day, it's another reaction. Well, we're gonna react to Elvis Presley. Man, Elvis is one of a kind. We keep talking about him. We can't even forget about anything about Elvis. It's like always in our mind. So we're gonna react to Elvis with a song title Hound Dog, and I know you're gonna love it so much. But before we do that, y'all know how we do right here. Let's check the intro. Hey, yo, man. Yo, we back again. As I said, we're gonna react to Elvis Presley with a song title Hound Dog, and you're gonna love it so much because the first time that I came across this video, I said, wow, I love it so much. Now let's check this video.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, yes, that's right, Elvis Presley. Ladies and gentlemen, could I have your attention, please? I'd like to tell you that we're going to do a sad song for you. This song here is one of the saddest songs we've ever heard. It really tells a story, friends. Beautiful lyrics. It goes something like this.
Now you know why I said there is something about Elvis that is very unique that we can never forget about him. I keep asking myself, why do we have to lose such a person? But life is sometimes they said it's unfair. You see, somebody with such a talent, there's the time that we really need, like we need we need him the most. So I wish Elvis is alive by now. But it's very unfortunate. But we will still continue on enjoying what he left us. We can never forget about it. Now let's continue the video.
You ain't nothing but you ain't nothing but a hound dog. Well, you ain't never gonna learn that you ain't no friend. Well, that's just that you were fine. Well, that's just well, you ain't never gonna learn that you ain't no friend.
some good, man. Wow.
ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to tell you, friends, I'd like to tell you, please, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to tell you that on Thanksgiving Day, I think that our new picture is to be released, and also we'll be back with Mr. Ed Sullivan in January. I'd like to thank all the millions of wonderful people that are watching in tonight, friends, and I'd like to say this, until we meet you again, may God bless you as He's blessed me. Thank you very much.
That is Elvis is a kind wow. We need Elvis back. Seriously, we need him back. I don't know how possible it is. Well, we thank you so much for your time. If today is your first time of watching me live on Big Love TV, then it's a privilege to have you here. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also be part of the family, and also don't forget to give us a thumb up, and also share our videos to your friends. Invite them, tell them something about the channel, so that they can also come and join us, have fun together. And I know you will love it, because we have more coming. Without you subscribing to the channel, sharing our videos, inviting friends, I don't think we'll be able to do more for you. Well, thank you so much. And also to our subscribers, those who are already a subscriber to the channel, we say thank you so much for your time, and we do appreciate the support that you've been giving to this channel. And I'm asking you that you should also continue to support the channel. And to those of you who have just joined the membership, I say thank you so much. I do appreciate the support that I've been putting to the channel, making it how it is today. It's the support that I've been giving. Without your support, I don't think we will reach this where we are now. So keep supporting the channel, and I'm asking you one thing, that you can also share the video as well, and invite friends to come to the channel. And also the comments is very important, because we need your comments so we can know if what we are doing or what we are delivering to you or reacting to, whether you love it or you like it, or you want us to do something different. You can just tell us right down in the description button. You can just pick the email there, and you can send me a message personal, or you can also comment on the video, write down in the video in the comment section, and I will read it, and I will know what to do to keep the channel going and to keep you happy. Thank you so much. Till we meet in the next reaction, I say God bless you. Bye bye. Adios.